Prado right now is in its third year of deferred maintenance work. Last summer in 2018, we re-roofed the school and replaced all the flooring throughout the school, the ceilings, the lighting, and did a lot of the restroom renovation work. This summer we're completing that work. All the air handlers in the school are being replaced. All the exhaust fans are being replaced. The fire alarm system is being replaced. All the exterior that you see is going to be pressure cleaned, waterproofed, and this concrete courtyard is going to be repaired. And it'll give us at least 20, 30 more years out of this